Welcome back to Investing Talk Podcast. When we talk about crypto mining, it's easy to get lost in all the technical jargon. But today, we're going to break it down and explore a company that's really caught our eye, HIVE, Digital Technologies. Ticker symbol HIVE. What's got us intrigued is their commitment to building sustainable blockchain infrastructure and how they're navigating this wild world of cryptocurrency.
What's interesting about HIV is they're not just surviving this volatile market, they're actually thriving. And that's despite some significant challenges, like the recent Bitcoin halving that impacted miners' profitability.
Okay, so before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage for our listeners. What's the current snapshot of HIVE in the market?
As of January 21st, 2025, HIV stock is priced at $3.12, down 2.5% on the day. However, analysts have given it a strong buy rating with a 12-month price target of $7.42.
So we're looking at a potential upside of 132%. That's definitely something worth diving into. What's driving this bullish outlook?
Well, their second quarter performance for fiscal year 2025 was pretty impressive. They generated $22.6 million in revenue and an adjusted EBITDA of $5.6 million. This strong performance, even after the Bitcoin halving, points to their operational efficiency and strategic decision-making.
You mentioned the Bitcoin halving, and I think it's important for our listeners to understand what that means. Essentially, it's an event that happens roughly every 4 years where the reward for mining Bitcoin gets cut in half. So for companies like HIVE, it directly impacts their bottom line.
Exactly. And that's why HIVE's strong performance in Q2 is particularly noteworthy. It shows they're not just riding the crypto wave, they're actively adapting and finding ways to stay profitable, even when the market throws curveballs.
All right, so we've got a company that's showing resilience in a volatile market, but what specifically is getting investors excited about HIVE? What are some of those milestones you mentioned earlier?
One of the most impressive things is their commitment to growth. Their Bitcoin holdings have surged by a whopping 64.6% year over year, reaching 2,805 Bitcoin by the end of December 2024.
That's a serious amount of Bitcoin.
Yeah.
They must be doing something right in terms of mining and accumulation.
They are, and they're constantly upgrading their mining infrastructure. They've been adding new Avalon machines to their fleet, which has boosted their operational hash rate to 6 EHs. Now, for those who aren't familiar with hash rates, it basically measures the computing power of the entire Bitcoin network. So a higher hash rate for HIVE means they have a greater chance of successfully mining Bitcoin.
So it's like they're getting bigger,
Yeah.
stronger, and faster all at the same time.
Yeah.
It's fascinating to see how they're strategically positioning themselves in this evolving landscape.
Absolutely. And it's not just about brute force, it's about smart decision-making. They've made a couple of really interesting moves recently, one of them being the decision to relocate their headquarters to San Antonio, Texas.
Texas, that's quite a move. What's the reasoning behind that?
There are a few factors at play here. First, it strengthens their presence in the U.S. market, which is becoming increasingly important in the crypto world. Second, this move allows them to transition to U.S. GAAP reporting. Now, U.S. GAAP, or generally accepted accounting principles, is basically a set of accounting standards that are widely recognized and trusted by investors.
So this move to Texas isn't just about geography. It's about enhancing transparency and building trust with investors, which is crucial, especially in a sector that's often viewed with skepticism.
Exactly. And there's another strategic advantage to this location. Texas has become a hub for cryptocurrency mining, partly due to its favorable energy policies and access to renewable energy sources.
That makes sense. Energy consumption is a big concern in the mining world, both from a cost perspective and an environmental one.
Right. And this is where HIVE really shines. They've managed to secure incredibly competitive energy pricing in Sweden. With costs below 2 cents per kilowatt hour, that gives them a significant advantage over their competitors, who are often grappling with much higher energy costs. This focus on energy efficiency, it aligns perfectly with their commitment to sustainability, a key factor attracting environmentally conscious investors.
It's definitely a smart move, especially when you consider the growing focus on ESG investing. That's environmental, social, and governance factors. Investors are increasingly looking for companies that are not just profitable, but also responsible and sustainable in their operations.
You hit the nail on the head. Now let's take a look at some of the technical indicators that can help us assess HIV's current stock performance and potential for growth. As of January 22nd, 2025, HIV's stock has been fluctuating between a high of $3.26 and a low of $3.05 in the last trading session.
So a bit of a roller coaster ride for investors. What's the story behind this volatility?
Well, HIVE, like many companies in the crypto space, has a beta of 4.24. What this means is, that its stock price tends to move more dramatically than the overall market. If the market goes up, HIVE stock might surge even higher, but the reverse is also true.
So while the potential for gains is exciting, investors need to be prepared for those potential dips as well. It's a high-risk, high-reward scenario.
Precisely. Now, the trading volume for HIVE has been quite high recently, reaching over 10,812,537 shares traded, exceeding its average volume of 7,913,635. This surge in volume suggests heightened interest in the stock, which could signal a potential shift in market sentiment.
More eyes on HIVE, that's for sure. What are some other technical indicators telling us?
Looking at the moving averages, the 50-day simple moving average is at $3.76, while the 200-day simple moving average stands at $3.27. Currently, HIV stock is trading below both of these averages, which is generally considered a sell signal.
So short-term indicators might be flashing caution. What about other indicators that can give us a more nuanced perspective?
The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is currently around 41.61. This suggests the stock is nearing oversold territory, but isn't quite there yet. If the RSI dips below 30, it could be a signal for a potential price rebound.
So there's a possibility of the stock bouncing back. What about the moving average convergence divergence, or MESD? What insights can we glean from that?
The MACD is currently around -0.29, which typically points to a bearish trend. However, it's important to note that the MACD can also hint at a potential reversal if we start seeing bullish momentum building up.
So mixed signals from the technical indicators. What's the overall takeaway for investors who are trying to make sense of all this?
The technical analysis currently leans toward a cautious hold recommendation. The increased trading volume and a neutral RSI suggest a possibility of a recovery, but the trends in moving averages and the MACD urge caution.
So it's all about weighing the potential rewards with the risks involved. Investors should stay informed, monitor market conditions closely, and look for confirmation of positive trends before making any big moves.
Exactly. Now, stepping back from the technical analysis, let's zoom out and consider the broader context. The cryptocurrency sector is experiencing a resurgence of interest, driven by rapid advancements in blockchain technology and increasing adoption by institutional investors.
So the tide seems to be turning in favor of crypto. How does this impact a company like HIVE?
This renewed interest is a positive sign for companies like HIVE that are building sustainable and efficient mining infrastructure. They are well positioned to capitalize on this wave of innovation. However, we can't ignore the macroeconomic factors that could impact their growth trajectory.
You're talking about things like rising interest rates and inflation, right? These are concerns that have been weighing on the stock market as a whole.
Precisely. And there's speculation that the Federal Reserve might pause further rate cuts in 2025. This could potentially impact growth stocks like HIVE as investors become more cautious in an uncertain economic environment.
So it's a balancing act between the positive industry trends and the potential economic headwinds. Investors need to carefully weigh these factors before making any decisions. It sounds like there's a lot to consider with HIVE, both in terms of their internal strengths and the external forces at play. So for our listeners who are thinking about adding HIVE to their portfolios, what are some investment strategies they should consider?
Well, for those who believe in the long-term potential of cryptocurrency mining and blockchain technologies, HIVE might be a good option for long-term positioning.
But what about investors who are a bit more risk-averse, or those who prefer a more active approach? What would you recommend for them?
Active monitoring is crucial, especially given the volatility we discussed earlier, keeping a close eye on those macroeconomic indicators. Interest rates, inflation, the overall economic outlook is essential. If things start to stabilize or show signs of improvement, it could create a more favorable environment for HIVE's growth.
And what about managing risk? We can't forget that investing in a volatile sector like cryptocurrency always comes with inherent risks.
You're absolutely right. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, as the saying goes. Spreading investments across different asset classes can help balance potential losses and increase the chances of success.
So we've explored HIVE's performance, their ambitious plans, and even deciphered some of those complex technical indicators.
Yeah.
What are your final thoughts on this company? Do you think they have what it takes to navigate the challenges and seize the opportunities in this dynamic industry?
HIVE is definitely a company to watch. They're making smart moves, focusing on sustainability and showing resilience in a volatile market. But the big question remains, will it be enough to propel them to even greater heights? Only time will tell.
That's the exciting part about investing, right? We get to watch how these stories unfold. We've covered a lot of ground today, but we always want to hear from our listeners. What are your thoughts on HIVE's future? Head over to the comment section and share your insights, your predictions, your questions. We love hearing from you.
And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Investing Talk podcast for more in-depth discussions on companies and trends shaping the financial world. We're here to help you navigate the exciting world of investing and make more informed decisions.
Thanks for joining us on this episode of Investing Talk Podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with your friends and family who might be interested in learning more about the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. Until next time, happy investing.